This can be right. It's like a height. It's like a adjacent. It's like a perpendicular. So height square is equal to adjacent square plus perpendicular square. Or like you can say it's opposite square. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, there is like angle of elevation, angle of depression. It looks like if you observe something like above. Okay. Like here is some object and you are here and you are watching this object from here, then this angle is known as angle of elevation. And if you look some object downwards, it's angle down as angle of depression. Okay. Further now, like sine 38, it will be x over 120. 120 move on the other hand. It's like statement type questions. After reading the statement, you must know the diagram and then you have to solve. After statement question, there is bearing questions and further. Okay, I am going to start the worksheet. Now here in this question, it's a question number 1. What is the length of the cable between the two trees? There is a cable between two trees and we have to find this cable length. Okay. Here is no right angle triangle. We must have to draw right angle triangle. So I will draw a horizontal line here and this one become a right angle triangle.
Wait, can't
What
you
is,
just draw the horizontal line on the bottom of the 12?
yes, bottom will be 12 and this one, it will be
11.
9 meter because total is 11 and this one is 2. So this one will be subtract and we have to find only this length, which is 9.
No, but
Okay.
what I'm saying is like you know, like where the line where it says 12 on the paper, can't you just draw the line there and then the 11 will still be 11, not a 9?
Yes, I think it's a multiple choice, so no need to draw a separate, but you can draw
No,
here.
no, 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 like I'm not saying draw it separate, like, oh, no, nothing.
So tell me again. I did not hear your voice. Tell me again.
No, it's like, instead of like, you know how you drew a line for the 12 above the 12 itself? Can't you draw the 12 where it already says 12 on the paper and then you wouldn't have to change the 9, the 11 to a 9. You could just keep it as an 11.
Hmm. Actually, at the start, we have this platform, and we are solving the triangles, and there is no triangle available. So my only target to create a triangle here. In the past, I solved many questions like these when you have two buildings of different heights and like you have some cable here between the buildings or you have to find the difference between the height of buildings. So it's like your practice when you do many of these type of questions, then you can understand that this one can create as a height of triangle and we can create a horizontal line. This horizontal line create a base.
Oh, okay.
I cannot draw here a horizontal line. If you say like here 12, I can draw, but this one is not fine. I not want to find this one. My I can draw a triangle, but there is useless. I have to find this length. So that the reason I will draw this triangle. Okay.
Okay.
So now further 19, 12 meter. It's 11 minus 2. It's 9 meter. 9 meter. Further now, next, what is the length of cable between two trees? You have to find this one. How you can find this one now? Tell me.
So that's the hypotenuse.
It's A, it's B. So C square is equal to A square plus B square. A is 9 square, 12 square, C square. This one. And when you apply with calculator, it will be 15. You can apply calculator here. No need to do these all steps. When you do with the calculator, its answer will be 15.
But wait, why didn't you do like why didn't you use sine, cos, or tan?
Because no angle is involved. Whenever any angle is involved, then you can use sine theta, cos theta, or tan theta. Here, two sides involved, two sides given, and you have to find the third side. So that's the reason
Oh,
we use.
wait, so you only use sine, cos, or tan when there's an angle, but you use a square plus b square equals c square when there's no angle and you need to find the missing side, right?
Yes, and two sides already given.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
You have to find any one third side. No only height. Sometimes you have to find A and C is given.
Okay.
Now here you have to find the theta. So which formula you can use here?
Um,
Yes. First of all, what is this? Is adjacent is opposite.
that is adjacent.
Yes, because it's a common side of theta and 90 is adjacent. And what about this?
That's opposite,
It's opposite.
and that's
But
hypotenuse.
okay. Now further now, I can use any formula. I think no restriction because I have the odd sides, right? You can use
Yeah.
sine formula. You can use cos tan. No restriction here. So I am using tan formula. That is opposite over adjacent. Opposite 81, adjacent 108. Okay. And the tan
Oh,
move on the other hand. And then I use my calculator to find the answer. Okay.
wait, there was a few other formulas for this trigonometry chapter you didn't go over.
Yes, but when I have to use, then I will explain that formulas. Okay.
Okay.
Step by step procedure. Otherwise, you will confuse. And this one is answer, but show that your answer, your calculator should be in degree. Okay. So 36.8, it can be right. Nearest degree, that is 37. 36.8, that become can be right 37.
Wait,
This
so for
one,
this question, you could use any formula, right?
yes, because we
Wow.
have the height, opposite and adjacent. So that's the reason.
Okay. Oof.
What is the correct expression for tan 20 in the triangle? Tan 20. So tan 20 is like, can you tell me what is tan 20? What is tan formula?
Tan is opposite over adjacent.
So what is opposite here?
Opposite is C,
And adjacent?
A,
And which answer? I think B
D.
option. Okay. Now see here. Read the question and solve yourself and tell me the answer.
Okay.
You can solve it.
Okay. Wait, could you just label it on your side because I didn't print the paper like can you do that?
Okay, tell me. You tell me, then I will label, okay?
Wait, so the top of the building is 65 degrees. So just like do like an angle 65 at the top.
This one angle 65, angle of depression.
Yeah.
And you can make a Z, then this angle and other angle that is here. That should be equal to each other. Is 30.
Okay. And could you just you know what the 65 is? Could you write hypotenuse there for me, please?
What you want to find is 65. What is this side name? What is the name of this side?
Opposite
Opposite. And what you want to find?
the hypotenuse.
This one. So which formula you will use here?
Sine.
90 opposite. Okay. Then you, I think, use it and solve yourself and tell me the answer. But
Okay.
he did not say you to find the height. He say you how far is the base of the tree from the building. So you want to find the base. I mean, you want to find this distance. So why you are
Oh.
using the height? Okay.
Oh, so you need to do it's 10, right?
Yes, he says it properly. How far away is the base of the tree? How much the distance of the base of the tree with the base of the building? Okay.
Wait, so
From
it's 10, right?
yes, now it's 10.
Okay. I got D.
Okay. Which option? C.
D. D. D.
I want to check your answer. Just one minute. No, wrong option. Your answer is D answer. B answer is accurate.
Oh,
Tell me the formula. You apply this one, 10 theta is opposite our adjacent. So 30 our adjacent, right? You did
yeah,
this
I
one
did that
now.
step. Yeah, I
Adjacent,
did that one.
adjacent move on the other hand, and 1030 will be divide here. 1065. And then you
Oh,
apply your
okay.
calculator and solve it and see your answer is 13.98. After onward, it's become 14.
Okay.
Okay. But which mistake you did here?
I flipped. I did the first step correct, but then I did the second step wrong.
Okay, we focus on it.
Okay.
Now solve it and this time do it correct.
Okay. Wait, how many multiple choice questions are there?
What you say?
How many multiple choice questions are there?
25. A few questions we will solve here, and that remaining question you will try at your home. Total 25 questions. And this time, this question you will do 100% yourself. Okay.
Okay. Will I use the sine formula?
What you want to find that depends upon you. Yes, accurate, do it. Sound.
Okay. I got C as the answer.
See the answer.
Yeah.
Okay. I check it answer. I think I should open the answers also rather than do myself. It's question number 5, right?
Yeah.
C option. Yes, accurate option. Very good. You did it accurate. And now the sixth one. I think sixth one you can do at your home. What you say?
Can I just do it quickly? Just like one more
Okay.
time.
Okay, do it, do it.
Is it also sine for this one as well?
Try to do yourself complete and then tell the answer. May I don't want to tell you because in the final exams, you will confuse also. Okay. So do yourself, be brave. Okay.
Okay. I got C again.
See again. But sixth answer is B. Sixth answer
Oh,
is B. Which formula? Sine formula you apply? Yes, sine formula is
yeah.
accurate. You have to apply here sine. It's accurate. Okay. And next one, sine formula. Sine is like sine 55 is equal to h over 80. Okay. So now Next one, it will be 80 dividing here. 80 will move on the other hand, and its multiply with sign 55.
Oh, okay, yeah, I divided it. Wait, but how come in the other times we divided, but now you're timesing?
Uh, which one?
Like in the other questions, we
Yes,
were
it
on dividing, but how come
depends
now we're
upon the
timesing?
depends upon the scenario. It's like just an equation, and you have to find her adjacent. Adjacent is dividing. It move on the other hand. That comes in multiplication. So multiplication can and comes here. It depends upon the question, and it's like a equation solving. This time H in dividing here, H in numerator, and 80 is in the division. 80 move on the other hand just in multiplication, and then you will solve the find the answer. Okay,
Okay.
it will be 65.5. That is answer. Clear?
Yeah.
6 and then 7. Then solve it. If tan theta is equal to 85, what is the value of theta? Correct to two decimal place. So, yes, tan theta, tan inverse 85 theta. It will be, yes, solve it. What is answer?
Oh, wait, one sec, sorry.
89.20, 89.33, I think better. Two decimal place. This one is the answer. Clear?
Oh, wait, can I look at it one more time, sorry?
It's very
Oh,
easy. Just 10 move on the other hand. Okay. And then
okay.
use the calculator. 10 over 85. Calculator should be in degree. Okay, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Quickly tell me the answer of 8. What is the answer of 8?
Uh, is it D?
D option.
Yeah.
What is the answer of 9? Yes, tell me.
Um, okay. But could you explain this one?
Okay. Here. Which expression could be used to calculate the value of x in the triangle? Okay. So now it will be like cos 40, cos 50. This one. Any other one? Cos 40, cos 50. Actually, here no need to use all options have cos, right? So no
Yeah.
need to observe the answer, only see the question. If you want to find the cos, and you have to find with cos. So definitely you will use the 40. Cos 40 will be adjacent x over height, right? And if you want to find x now, 29 will move on the other hand and comes in multiplication. Okay.
Oh, so it's A.
This one is clear.
Yeah.
Now this one. Solve it and tell me the answer. What is the answer? I think
Okay.
it's also right angle triangle.
Yeah. Is it A?
A option, like cos 30 is equal to 8 over x. X move on the other hand and cos 30 here. Yes, accurate answer. Okay, and now 11. If it's 40, this one also 40, right?
Yeah.
And you want to find a height. What is a height? Like this one. So see this
Yeah.
triangle. Which formula you will apply here?
Wait, isn't wait, is that the hypotenuse or the height you wrote? Confused.
If height is
Oh, no, because you
no
wrote a H, I just got
what
confused.
azan time
Okay,
is one height. Solve it.
okay, yeah, I'm sorry. What's C?
Accurate. Are you solving it? It's so easy.
No, I didn't get the question.
Try to solve. You will make a new triangle. You have to find the distance from G to H. So make a new triangle here. It's behave like a hive. Okay. How you can draw the triangle? Yes, tell me.
No.
From any corner you can draw like this one. Is a right angle triangle. This one 12. This one 16 minus 11. It will be 4. You can do this one. And then you can find the height by Pythagoras theorem. Or other way, you can do this one. This is also a right angle triangle. It's a 90 angle. This one is a total. It's 16. It's 11. 16 minus 11. This one will be 4. It's 12. It's 12. It's 4. And now you can find this one, right? How it's 4? Because total is 16 and this one is 11. This is 11. This one. And other one, you can find 16 minus 11. Further now, to find the height, you can apply like h g square plus is equal to 4 square plus 12 square. Apply square root on both sides. It will be 116. Square root 116. That will be the answer of HG. 12.6. That is answer. And after solving it, it will be 13. 12.6. That is like a 13. Okay, Elias, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
But see here, it's like a very interesting question that no chance at the start, and you are like here at the start, how I can find GH? And you have the trapezium shape here. You can observe it's a trapezium. Then you will draw the right angle triangle yourself. You can start from H, you can start from G. After this triangle, this one is 12, so this one is also 12. And this one you can find and then height, apply the formula. Yes, 13. What is the answer of 13? Which formula you will apply here in 13?
Um,
I'll ask you, firstly, I want to complete all multiple choice today, okay?
okay.
Which formula you apply here?
Wait, one sec, sorry. Just
Alias, you are taking time. You are taking 10 seconds, right? And 10 seconds never take. You just take 1 second or 2 seconds and solve and tell me the formula. And then you can save your time, okay? And for this one, you have to memorize the formulas, okay? Not rely on the worksheet formulas.
yeah, I know. It's just been a while since I've done trigonometry. That's the thing. So I don't. It's not like it's fresh in my mind. I need a sec.
One thing here, one thing must remember. There are three formulas, right? In two
No, I'm.
formulas, hype involved, right?
Yeah.
Sine and cos, hype involved. And there should be 10, right? I mean, you know that you can tell me the answer and you will tell me the answer, but I tell you myself because I explained you one something that how you can do it fastly, okay?
Okay.
Tan theta, opposite over this one, and now tan inverse move on the other hand, and one thing more, point on the same position. So point cancel with point, or point move here, you write 10, point move here, you write 10, 10 cancel with 10. Otherwise, point cancel, and now you have only 53 and 90.
Wait, what? How'd you get 53? I don't get it.
I think 53 point and point cancel, so 53 over 90.
But since when was that a thing? Like, we've never done that.
It can make sense in this way. You have this one. When you remove the point, you write 1, and after point 1 number, so 1, 0, right? Here you have 1.9. 1 above point 1, and after point 1 number, so 1, 0. 10 cancel with 10. So 53 over 90. You can cancel the point when it are on the same position. So we have the points on the same position, we can cancel it. Why I am canceling it? Because when I write it on calculator, it saves my time to type the points every time.
Well, I didn't get it. You're
Like
just confusing me.
5.3. If
Wait,
you
no,
don't
wait, how?
get, you can do this one, okay? Okay, it's
Yeah.
clear?
Wait, what are you doing? I'm so confused. You're saying 1 minute you do it and 1 second you don't. Like, what's going on?
1 second.
No, like, I'm just confused because you're doing like two different things. 1 minute you're saying times it by 10 and get rid of the decimals. And then in the actual calculator, you did it with the decimals. Like what's going on? You're just confusing me.
Hmm. Actually, when I am solving, I write this one. This one clear this time.
Yeah, that's clear.
Then I suppose that I can cancel the point it makes so quickly. You say
Yeah,
me
but yeah, but in the calculator, calculator, you didn't do it like that. In the calculator, you did it with
because
the
because
decimal.
because you say that you cannot understand, so I write points there. There's a reason.
Oh,
Otherwise, if you write the point or if you don't write the point, it's the same thing. Like you see here now, point cancel, point cancel, and same answer again, right?
no, but it's just I've never done it like that. That's why I'm confused.
You did with point, okay? No need
Yeah,
to.
like we always did it with point in my
Yes,
school.
no need to become more efficient, okay? Otherwise, will be maybe you did some mistake because sometime points here and points here, okay? Sometime points on different positions. So maybe you will you can do it with here, okay? But one thing more here, tan inverse 5.3, 1.9, okay? And further now,
Wait, how do you get it into degrees?
yes, it's my answer is not in degree, and I will press this icon above 8 ENG, above ENG we have this icon. I will press this one. Oh no, what is the answer? 70, 70 I have every time. 70 point answer is equal to this one. Yes, this icon. 70 above ENG we have this icon. So you can observe 70 and 60. It's I think 17, 70, 17 because 39 seconds. 39 seconds are more than half minute, right? So it becomes 17. But
Yeah.
I want to check the answer also. It's question number 30. Yes, B answered, echoed an answer. And you can observe it's the same thing. He write like this one, 70.27 answer, and then this answer. Okay. And understand here, any problem?
No, it's fine. I think.
Okay, okay, now 14. Tell me the answer first.
Wait, I didn't get this question.
Which formula you will apply, sine or cos? 40. What is the name of
Um,
the site? Yes,
you do cos. You do cos.
cos 40. Yes, tell me the formula.
Cos 40 equals 20 over x.
What is the formula?
Adjacent over height.
Actually, you are a wrong pattern. You are telling me the formula first. It's wrong pattern. It's totally wrong pattern. First of all, name the sides. What is the name of this side?
You're telling me to name the formula first. What do you mean I'm doing it wrong?
You are telling me cos 40 and then you are telling 20 is not here. It's 20 totally wrong here. And the reason is because you did not mention the name of the sites. If you mention the name of the sites, then you never did this type of mistake. Okay. So it's a pattern of doing the question. So first of all, tell me the name of X. It's your pattern.
Hypotenuse.
Yes, its name is opposite, hive, adjacent.
Hypotenuse.
How? What is name of this one?
Adjacent.
90, 90 opposite, always hive, 90 opposite. There is no chance. And it's a common side. It's a common side of 90 and angle. Angle and 90 common side will be adjacent. It is a rule, right? And angle opposite is opposite, right? 90 opposite always high. So this time this one is a high. Okay.
Okay.
So now you are doing accurate, only problem mention the sides first. Yes. Now I
X.
power 20 and 20 move on the other hand and answer, right?
Yeah.
And now 50.
Oh, wait, is the 67 the opposite or the adjacent? It's the adjacent, right?
42. Where's 42 angle?
Uh, at the
It's
top.
40. It's 42. And now you
Yeah.
will do the Z. So this one is also 42. And now you can tell everything accurate when you draw the 42.
Okay.
What is the side? Is it adjacent or opposite?
Oh, one sec. I'm just fixing something. That the 67 is opposite.
Yes, because it's opposite of the angle. And this one is a common side. Common always adjacent, okay? Common of 90 and this. And 90 opposite is high always, right?
Yeah.
So what you want to find now?
10.
Yes, because you want to find adjacent, you can say it x. So 10, 42 is equal to x over 67, right? 67 move on the other hand, and we will solve it. Okay.
Isn't it 67 on top? There's 10. There's O over A. And you said 67 is the opposite.
Yeah, 67, 10 40.
No, no, isn't 67 on the top, not X?
Oh, yes, I wrong. I did it very fastly because at 1 p.m. some person visited to my academy for some his own work. So I am thinking about that person. I am also observing the time that 2 minutes left because I want to complete the multiple choice and also thinking about that person and that the reason. Okay. Okay, so it's 74.4. 74.4. Accurate answer?
Yeah.
Which option is 13, 15, 15? 15B answer. Okay, accurate answer. And now the next one, last one, and O is 7 meter above ground, is a ground, and from ground is 7 meter above. Okay, it's a distance of 7 meter. And now what's happened? In a tree, the old see a mouse on the ground and an angle of depression 30. Here is a mouse M, and we see from angle of depression that is 32. That means this one angle of elevation also 32. And it's make a right angle triangle. Here is O, and this one is T. How much O fly in a straight line to catch the mouse? O will fly in this direction, right?
Yeah.
And you can say it's like a distance that is X distance, right?
Is it a sign?
Yes, I will use sine 32, 7 over X. Okay, X move on the other hand and sine 32. And then I solve it, okay? Exact 1 p.m. the 4 minutes.
Oh,
Okay,
it's okay. I can finish this question myself.
13.2. That is the answer, okay?
Okay.
The option, accurate answer. Okay, clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
17, you do yourself, okay? And try to
Okay.
solve the remaining questions for next class,
Okay.
okay? Okay,
Okay.
bye, Allah.